Wait lang. Can you hit open? You get open. Oo. Ikaw mag-receive ka pa rin. Pero siya tatakbo, hindi ka papalo. Naintindihan mo? Quick, pumasok ka. Open tayo. Naintindihan? Kukoberan natin. Hindi nyo pa-cover yung cross court. Naintindihan? Okay? Let's go, ha? Let's go. Malinaw? Ni-receive ka? Nahimig go there, ha?
Let's go.
So looks like Coach wants to go to the open for this one. Tingnan natin if it works. Well, this is an important point here for UP.
Actually, from my understanding, sabi ni Coach Carlo, hindi pa rin babaguhin kasi nag-error si Rahim, pero it doesn't mean the game plan changes for them. So I feel like they're gonna take a chance on Rahim if they get to receive this one, but it is Aceron who's serving right now.
Santiago will go to the open. Rahim throwing it down.
And that is why Coach Carlos said, walang magbabago. Doon pa rin tayo, regardless of that previous error. Rahim is Rahim today. 24 big points. Just a point shy from scoring an entire set for UP.
Mela, he is him. He is him. Rahim is him. Tied at 15. Oh, not the best receive. They will improv. Aligayon. Whistle was blown, favoring UE.
That was actually an easy serve, but not such a good pass from Aligayon. Pero titignan natin, I think the players are signaling na sa labas ng antena yata yun dumaan, or I don't know, but we're gonna have a challenge here.
Football challenge.
Or baka may tumawid sa center line.
Let's see with this football challenge. Ourselves a game that refuses to end.
Sulit na sulit ang umaga ng UAP volleyball fans.
And by the way, it's just game 1 of 4.
I know.
1 of 4 pa lang to. See the challenge.
This is what we like. But standard of adding on games this opening weekend. The players of UP looked so sure about the violation. They were actually the ones who told Coach Carlo na mag-call ka ng challenge, Coach. So tignan natin this football challenge.
Nag-react na sila, wala pa. Talagang UP boys.
Kailangan extra energy here at the last stretch of the match.
Good light.
Energy matters for both these squads. Kaya pati mga second seamer nakikikulit na din eh. What a match! Regardless of who wins this, lahat nagsama-sama dito. Great talent. Amazing heart. And there is a center line fault by a UE player. And this point,
I believe that was UP Mela, no? Kasi
oh sorry, check that. So the challenge is unsuccessful.
Big challenge there. UE now at
So it's
match point.
close.
Roca to serve. UE looking for the win. The go-to, Rahim. Breaking the block.
Look at the effort of the UE libero to keep that ball alive. Villanueva sacrificing his body, hitting the lead panels.
This is point number 25, Mela.
Pero if anything, advantage tong rotation na to, nasa likod si Rahim. And Aligayon now has a smaller blocker in Santiago. Let's see if he maximizes.
To Aligayon. That one put up. This will be a free ball. Here comes UE. Andre Bicar to Debs Aligayon. Oh! It's out of bounds. Match point, UP.
Well, Aligayon was waiting for the perfect set. One thing I noticed with him, kapag ka nasa-short yung set, hindi niya na-a-adjustan eh. So, this is one thing he needs to develop throughout the season. But right now, UP has the lead.
This is for the win for UP. Aligayon, pinabawi. Oh, sent back right away. Andre Bicar, the toss, back to Aligayon. The blockers were there. Joust, UP has it. Clarence Santiago to Rahim. Naibalik ulit. Now to the open, De Guzman. What a save! And UP getting the win in their first game of UAAP Season 87.
De Guzman ang tatapos para sa UP. That is his 6th point. We mentioned this earlier, kalat-kalat yung puntos ng ibang players because they were heavily reliant on Rahim.